How to remove yellow color exclamatory symbol on dimensions in Autocad. Solution. This feature is controlled by ANNOMONITOR system variable. It turns on or off the annotation monitor or a yellow color exclamatory symbol on dimensions. This symbol is generally appeared when the dimensions are not associated with the objects. You can remove this symbol by following ways. 1. You can reassociate the dimension to objects. 2. You can set its value to 0 for non-associative dimensions. See how it works. First we create an object. Add a linear dimension on it. Here you can see that the yellow color mark appeared on it. As this dimension is non-associative, now click on this mark. Click on Reassociate option. Click on endpoints of rectangle. You can see that the yellow color mark disappears, and the dimension is become associative. If you stretch the objects, then dimension also updated accordingly. Now we see the second method. Type ANNOMONITOR variable and change its value to 0. You can see that the yellow color mark disappeared, but the dimension is still non-associative. If you stretch the objects, then dimension will not updated due to its non-associative property. Thanks for watching.